In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more quota in Elevenlabs. If you've been using Elevenlabs and noticed that you are running low on credits or character allowance, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I will show you the two main ways to increase your available quota so you can keep generating audio without interruptions. To begin, open Elevenlabs and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu. From there, select Subscriptions. This is where you can manage your current plan and find the options related to billing and upgrades. Once you are in the subscription area, click on Billing. In this section, you will find a top-up option that lets you add extra credits to your account. Next to Top Up, click Add Credits. You will then be able to choose the amount you want to purchase. For example, you may see preset options like $10, $20, or $50. And in some cases, you may also have a custom amount option. Choose the amount that fits your needs after selecting the amount. Click Add Credits and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the payment process. Once the payment is confirmed, those extra credits should be added to your account, giving you more quota to work with right away. While you are still in the billing section, here is another useful setting you should know about, especially if you don't want to manually top up every time your credits get low. You can turn on auto recharge. When this is enabled, your saved payment method will automatically buy more credits whenever your balance drops below a threshold that you set. This can be very helpful if you use Elevenlabs regularly and want to avoid running out in the middle of a project. If you find yourself topping up often, a better long-term option may be upgrading your subscription tier. Go back to the subscription section where you will see the available plans. Higher plans, such as Creator or Pro, typically include a larger monthly character allowance and lower per-character costs. They may also unlock additional features, like commercial licensing and more voice slots, which can be useful if you create content more frequently or need extra flexibility. To upgrade, simply select the plan you want, click Upgrade, and then follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Once completed, your account will reflect the new plan and its increased quota. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.